So I'm filming this in the dark, but I just got a new deck put on my house, and it's made out of that TimberTech material, which is, it looks like wood, it acts like wood, but it's actually a composite. Super awesome looking deck. It's actually a replacement of a deck we had, but I've added a couple of things to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn that porch light off, and I'll do that with my tap that I have here. Turn off back porch. But then I've also added some features to the deck, and this is pretty awesome too. Turn on the deck. You can see that there's lights all the way around it, but I can also do things like this. Turn the deck red. Turn the deck green. Turn the deck to 10%. Turn the deck orange. Turn the deck to 100%. Turn the deck off. Turn the back porch on. So there you go. Smart porch.